heavy on my chest. It weighs me down like only worry and she's stressed. They whisper, no, I keep it in my head. They say I'm empty, say I ain't got nothing left. My mama tell me not to worry about these things. Be kind, cause many times it's hard to just begin. She says to live a life of peace and happiness. You have to hold your head up high and try your best.
We are
high and try your best.
one of a kind.
Head up high and try your best.
We are
hold your head up high and try your best.
one of a kind.
Head up high and try your best. I have a dream and I don't wanna let it die. I have to try to do something with my life. Don't need to know me, don't need to be recognized, but self-fulfillment would be nice. I'm gonna start again and try to do it right. I'm gonna love myself before I love outside. I know we'll struggle every day just to get by. I'm gonna be grateful cause today I still have time.
We are
Grateful cause today